am Miss Laura, and today we are doing a science project. Why? Well, science is art and art is science. Well, if you like spy ink, then this is the art project for you. First, we get out a piece of paper, then some lemon juice and a Q-tip. Well, you can't quite see the ink, well, because it's invisible ink. So anyone who is watching you, they won't quite see it until we use this little technique. So you take a Q-tip, and then you draw what you want. And you can't quite see it yourself. But if you have like kind of light, you can kind of see it from like kind of the shine of the liquid. But when it dries, you can't quite see it. And we're finished. This is the part where an adult comes in to help. First, you'll need something hot. You need heat. So go get a parrot. Now it is time to put the piece of paper on the hot skillet or hot material, whatever. Yeah. Now all we can do is wait.
Ta-da! Oh, my voice sounds kind of funny. Oh well.